Hey guys, welcome back to MS Word tutorial series part 5. Let's begin. Before we start, let's generate a random text using rand command. So I'll type equal rand open bracket closing bracket and hit enter. So this will give you a random set of text. Since I didn't use any parameter in the rand command, it gave by default 4 paragraph. Let's undo this. So if I want to undo any task, then I just have to go over here on top where you can click undo functionality. So I'll just click undo once. So I'm back with the command. Let's give a parenthesis. Let's say I would like to have 5 paragraph, each including 2 sentences, and hit enter. So this will give me 5 paragraph and each of the paragraph consists of 2 sentences. Let's say I would like to have some indentation on the second paragraph. So I'll just click on the word in front of the second paragraph, and under the home menu tab, I will just go to the ribbon, line and paragraph spacing. Under the drop down, let's click the drop down and there is a line spacing option. Let's click it. So it will give me a indentation, spacing, and the generals. So under the general, let's align this paragraph as a justified so that it will be justified from both left hand side and right hand side. And as we said, let's give an indentation of 0.5 on the left. As you can see here, when I give 0.5, it is indented a little bit on the left. And let's indent the same on the right as well, 0.5. And as you can see here, with compared to the other paragraphs, it's indented exactly 0.5 on the right as well. So let's give a spacing of double, as you can see here. And here you go. The second paragraph is indented from the left, right, and it's justified as well. Let's make this paragraph bold and let's give a color of green with the blue highlight. And let's say I would like to have this paragraph similar on the last one. In that case, we can use Format Painter, which will copy all the format of this paragraph and applies where we want. Let's see how it works in action. So I will just highlight the paragraph that I wanted to copy the format. I go under the home menu tab with the paintbrush symbol. I click it. And then as you can see here, whenever I go on other paragraph, it hovers with the paintbrush symbol. So let's go and select the paragraph that I wanted to copy the format. And here you go. All the spacing, color, and every format get copied. Let's make this paragraph into a bullet format. So first, I will copy this paragraph, right click and copy, go to the button, right click and paste. So let's make each sentence as a bullet point. So here you go. I have 4 lines, which I wanted to make it as a list. For the given list, bullet can be done in various ways. So let's select the list that we wanted to have in a bullet format. Go under the home menu tab and there is a section for bulleting. So this section, this ribbon gives a bullet in the form of symbols, whereas this gives in the form of numbers. And this is something you can do for the multi-level list. Since we are not doing a multi-level list, let's go with a symbol to understand. So if I go under the drop down, I can define a new bullet or select a predefined bullets. Let's go under define new bullet. And here you can select which symbol would you prefer. So if you select this, it will behave like this. So as you can see here, the indentation is on 0.25. That is the reason this section of the arrow is bulleted 0. Is indented at 0.25. And with regards to the text position, this is indented at 0.5. So that is the reason it is started from here. Let's say I don't want it to indent my arrow. I would like to have it align with the text. Then in that case, let's make this as 0. Let's see how it is. As you can see here, it is aligned on the left side. So let's make it 0.25 and click OK. Boom. The list is bulleted with the arrow. Let's see the same list in a multi-level list format, how it behaves. So I will select the list that I would like to have in a multi-level list. Similarly, under the Home menu tab, I'll go to the ribbon called Multi-Level List. I will just select by default what we have. As you can see here, it will be the first one will be under 1, 2, 3, 4, and the second inner list will be A, B, C, D, and again it will be the inner list will be from the Roman I. So let's click it and let's select the second one here. As you can see here, it shows 1, 2, 3, 4. But let's say I would like to have this second inside 1. Then in that case, I will just click in front of the sentence and hit tab once. As you can see here, it comes inside the list of 1. Let's say I would like to have 2 as a inner list. Similarly, I'll just go in front of the sentence. I'll hit tab once. And as you can see here, the B is also under the list of 1. Let's say B itself is a list of A. Then in that case, I will just go again and click in front of names, hit tab again. Then it will give the list under A. This is how multi-level list can be created. Hey guys, please feel free to comment down below on what you want to learn in the next video series. And please like, subscribe, and keep loving your change. See you in the next video. Thank you.